Part 2 of how to win friends and influence people. 6 ways on how to make people like you. Become genuinely interested in the other person. A dog is the only animal that doesn't have to work for a living. A hen has to lay eggs, a cow has to give milk, but a dog's only responsibility is to show you love. Do things for other people, things that require energy, unselfishness, and thoughtfulness. We are interested in others when they are interested in us. Smile. A smile says, I like you, I'm glad to see you, I'm happy you're here. Force yourself to smile. Happiness depends on our inner conditions. Remember that a person's name is the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Practice remembering people's names and using them. Be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Remember that the people you are talking to are 100 times more interested in their own thoughts and problems than yours. Talk in terms of the other person's interest. The road to someone's heart is to talk about what he or she treasures most. Make the other person feel important and do it sincerely. Remember, we're craving to be appreciated. You are important.